So hey guys, this is very much again part 2, third, and sorry, but it actually just somehow turned off on me. I don't know what happened, and we're still gonna wait in the car. But I guess I could just show you the outside. This is what a Poland man. This is what a Poland man looks like. Absolute disaster. Hold on, guys. Okay. Got it. Now let me just make a tiny video. Which we're going to be using this as that mark. I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore. I promise you guys I will make part 2 later. I'm not cute anymore. I'm not cute anymore. I ain't cute anymore. Yeah. Let me show you my inner puppet. Her name is Lovely. So she's actually a monarch butterfly. So guys, I will just pause the video. So again, hey guys, I'm back because I didn't want it to turn off again. So yeah, don't look at the trash. I guess you could just stay and just call with me, I guess. Poland, Maine. I think we're almost there. Let me ask my mom. Mom, are we almost there?
Not quite.
Okay. Alright, so she said not quite. Just wait a bit, guys. This is one reason why I do not want YouTube anymore. Because I have to constantly record videos. And guys, if you've seen the little things where I play with stuffies, I will probably do part 3, I think, maybe later today, maybe. But right now I'm trying to do the one I'm doing, but alright guys, I guess I will pause until we're halfway there. Hey guys, I'm back. So apparently we're halfway there, and she said, and my mom said, I guess, so, oh, we're going, yes, we're here. Whoa, we're not here. We're almost there. Wow, that's a lot of noise. Okay, look back. Eat, go. Alright, so I guess I should maybe pause it again. I'm back, guys. Yep, me move. Alright guys, I guess I'll just see you in maybe a few minutes. Alright guys, I think we're halfway there. So I guess I'll
Yeah, we're
unpause.
almost there.
Oh, okay. So apparently we're actually almost there. I'm just gonna say we will be there soon. And it's already 6 minutes long, I do think. Guys, I don't know if it's 6 minutes or not. Has it been 6 hours? No, I think it would have already been dark. But guys, I'm just gonna pause it, so I'll be back. No, I meant make another video.